Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market has been a little bit red, guys. So it's been down about 2.5% or so. We've been seeing this downtrend pretty much since Monday morning going into the afternoon. And then obviously throughout the night as well, we saw a tiny bit of a recovery. So right now, top gainers in the past 24 hours, still Solana, guys. We've been talking about Solana for the past couple of days. So if you guys, have missed out on that, I don't know where you've been. You're not subscribed. So Solana has been making some gains, up over 32%, it says right here in the past 24 hours, trading at above $71. And I believe that is an all-time high right now for Solana. Highest volume in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin like usual. So Bitcoin right there, volume 32.2 billion. So it is currently trading at around $46,450. It's down about 2% from the highs. Ethereum around the 3,200 area, down about 2% as well. Binance Coin's up 3%. Cardano pretty much flat, and so is a Ripple down 6%. Doge is down 1.5%. Then we have Polkadot here, 17% higher. Solana, 24%. Chainlink, 4.5%. Terra, also known as Luna, is up about 13%. And then everything else is pretty much flat. And then we have some obviously outliers here in the green. So the market is, performing okay. Even with this downtrend, we are seeing some outliers where they're outperforming the market. So guys, let's get into this countdown. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you watching to buy right now. So first altcoin is going to be Solana. Obviously, we've been talking about this one for the past couple of days and been making some great, momentum gains right there. So it is currently up about 24% in the past 24 hours, trading at $71.50. In the past week, it's up over 84%, guys. Insane, from $39 all the way up here to highs of over $74 at one point. In the past month, it is up 171%, guys. So if you would have invested $1,000, you would have been up about $1,700 profit. So your value would be around $2,700 right now just on Solana. So this one has been performing, especially here in the past 2 days or so. It's rocketed up even higher. In the past year, it is up over 2,200%, destroying that all-time high that we saw in May, right there on May 18th. The high was 55.91. We destroyed past that, and we continue to soar. We were at that resistance the other day, and we talked about, are we going to be getting to the all-time high anytime soon? And then look what happened in the past 48 hours. We just zoomed on past that all-time high, obviously, and we're continuing to go. So these are going to be the patterns that we're going to be looking out for. It seems to be the pattern right now. So as Bitcoin and all these large cap coins go up, there's going to be some altcoins that are going to be booming and rocketing higher and higher faster compared to the large cap coins, and Solana is definitely one of those coins that is booming. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, you've been missing out on these gains, because we talked about Solana when it was trading down here at $23, $25 as well. So you would be up well over 100, close to 200% or so if you would have bought at the lows. Market caps on Solana, 20.9 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 4.3 billion, and then the circulating supply obviously 286.3 million. So Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake, consensus, and a so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. Solana is also one of those greener coins that we talked about in April, when greener coins were getting, a little bit of a push because Bitcoin was getting a bad name because of the amount of, energy that was being used in order to mine Bitcoin. So people were looking for an alternative, and Solana was one of those that we talked about on that list. Solana, we had Aave, and many other green coins. Poly, also known as Matic, was on that list as well. And look at Solana right now, breaking through these all-time highs. I would not be surprised to see Solana trading at $100 per coin in the near future, especially if we continue to see this bull market rally in the crypto space in general. So Solana is going to be very interesting to see. 20.9 billion market cap. That market cap is getting up there, guys. It's starting to move on higher and higher. We were trading at less than 10 billion market cap just a few weeks ago, and now to see it over 20 billion, it is definitely something nice to see. As we were looking at this coin, and we feel really good about predicting what was the outcome, obviously, on this one. So definitely our first altcoin on the list, Solana, SOL. Second altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So this one is up about 13%, pretty much similar momentum here as Solana has been as well. So 13% higher, trading at $24.71. In the past week, it's up over 76%, guys. Insane. In 1 week, we get a 76% return. That is insanity. That is something you would never see, obviously, in the stock market because stocks don't move that quickly. In the past month, 275%. We talked about this one when it was trading at around $5 down there, actually, and look at it now, over $24. So over 300% gains just from the bottom right there where we talked about it on the channel. So if you guys missed out on content like that, guys, subscribe to the channel like we say so you don't miss out on potential gains like this. Over 275% the past month. In the past year, 4,279%. Once again, we are destroying the all-time highs on this one as well, just like Solana. So all-time high was around $22 here in March. We saw it continue to go lower and lower, even though crypto continued to boom in April right there. We saw a downtrend all the way down here to lows of about $4 or so, a little bit lower than that. And now look at this boom from $5 July 20th. In less than a month, we went from $5 all the way to almost $25 right here, guys. Insane. Market cap 9.3 billion. This was trading at a 2 or 3 billion market cap when we talked about it just a few weeks ago. Volume in the past 24 hours at 1.5 billion, and then obviously the circulating supply at 410.5 million Luna coins. So insanity. Like we said, in the past month, 275%. Solana in the past month, 171%. Those are some insane gains, guys. Altcoins, like we talk about in the crypto space, they can move very, very quickly on the upside and on the downside, and you don't want to miss out because they can move very quick, and you won't, be able to get in, fast enough. Sometimes you might miss out, and if you miss out just by a matter of hours, you could be missing on, 10, 20, 30, 40%, depending on how quickly it rockets on higher. So Terra, also known as Luna, our second altcoin on the list. Third altcoin is going to be Polkadot, also known as DOT. Another one we've been discussing on the channel for a while. So this one is up about 17%, currently trading at around $27 almost. You see here going into Monday night and then Tuesday morning, we see this boom continue to go, just like the other two coins we just talked about. In the past week, this coin is up 30%. Past month, 122%, a little bit lower compared to the other coins, but still booming, still up over 100% just since this low here on July 20th. So it's performing very well in my opinion. On the 1 year chart, it is up 895% from lows of $2.90 last August. Here we hit highs at about $49, almost $50. So we still have about a 80 to 90% upside until we get to all-time highs once again. So Polkadot still has a lot more potential. 25.6 billion market cap, a little bit on the higher side compared to the other altcoins we've talked about. Volume in the past 24 hours at 3.2 billion, and then the circulating supply 986.8 million coins. So Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking, to secure the network, or to connect Bond, the new chain. So Polkadot, definitely one of those coins that we're going to be keeping an eye on. Still has so much room to continue to just run, and as long as the larger coins continue to go, so will these altcoins. And right now we're actually even breaking out the pattern as the larger coins are down. All three of these altcoins that we just discussed in this video are all in the green. 17% here, and then this one 13%, and then this one over 24%. But if we compare that to Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is down 2%, which is, a little bit, odd, but obviously we can see these flips, I guess you could say. Even though Bitcoin is down 2% from highs of 48,000 almost, now it's at 46,450. In the past week, Bitcoin is pretty much flat. Past month, up 47, almost 48%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 277.5%. So Bitcoin doing very well. 869.9 billion market cap. We're getting closer and closer to that 1 trillion market cap once again. It's very nice. I mean, if you look at how many stocks are in the 1 trillion club, I believe there's only 5 of them that are actually in that area, and we have actually some that are actually above 2 trillion. But Bitcoin already catching up very quickly compared to the stock market, performance. So Ethereum is down about 2%, pretty much same as Bitcoin. From highs up here that we saw at 3,300. Right now in the past week, it is pretty much flat, just like Bitcoin at around this 3,200 area. In the past month, it's up 70%, so very nice gains from 1700 to 3200 in a short amount of time. On the 1-year chart, 639%. We're seeing this little bit of a pullback. What we might see is a pullback and then a rocket on higher, obviously. Hopefully we can get back to that 3500 area and potentially even higher. We're still pretty far away from those, all-time highs on Ethereum, but you never know what can happen in the crypto space. Market cap on this one, 371.8 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 23.2 billion. Ethereum still doing very well. Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much, paved the way for the rest of the altcoins, and whatever they do, that's what pretty much goes on in the market. So Ethereum and Bitcoin still holding strong around that area for the past few weeks now. Doge is down about 1.6% from highs of 35 cents or so, and I saw the Dogecoin millionaire. He was very happy. I believe he was at like 1.2 or 1.3 mil at that point. In the past week, Doge is up 28%. Past month, 90%. So if you would have bought down here at 16 cents, you'd be up over 100%, from the 16 cents area to 33 cents area. In the past 1 year, 9,064%, obviously. Very far away from that 74 cents all-time high. We would need about 100% plus gain just to get back to that area. 42.8 billion market cap right now in Doge. Volume in the past 24 hours at 6.4 billion. So volume is starting to pick up on these coins. Obviously the trend that we keep seeing is when these large cap coins are green, a lot of more people are interested in seeing them, but they're not following. They're missing out on these altcoins. I mean, Polkadot, Solana. If we take a look here, Luna, we have Theta, we have even Aave down here. These coins are green even though the market is red, and some people are missing out on that because they're just looking at the big coins. They're looking at the large cap coins because that's what the media talks about. They're not looking at these alternatives that are in the green. I mean, look, even Binance Coin up here, up about 3.5% compared to the market. So you have to look for these opportunities, obviously. Even with the red market, you can always find winners. And obviously, even if it is a red market on the dip, you can get in on the dip and, ride it on higher. So there's always opportunities out there. You just have to go and find them. Crypto is crazy and it's a roller coaster ride. It's an up, down type situation. But in the long run, we believe in crypto. Obviously, we think that, as it continues to get accepted worldwide, things are going to get better and bigger for us, and more altcoins are going to be popping out of nowhere with a lot of potential, obviously, for, lots of profit for us. Now, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is for financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes only. So, guys, before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and, make sure you understand that there's a high risk and high reward type situation going on in the crypto space. Now, as always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers right now. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking to buy right now? Is anything on your radar? Are any of these on your radar? And have you made any profits in the last few weeks? Obviously, in the last month or so. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.